Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, located right here in Houston, Texas. Hey, we just finished up a little pallet skid, kind of a mini skid, I guess you could call it, for a customer. So just kind of thought I'd show you that, and I'll go through it coming up next. All right, so this is the pallet skid. A lot of people call them mini skids, which it really is. This one we have built to go onto a trailer, and it's got a 5 gallon per minute electric start pressure washer. And then we have the Flow Pro system hooked up, complete with the mounting block and 3-way valve. And so back here you have the actuator and the little bypass loop. And then we've got two 12-inch Kings hose reels, 200 foot of pressure washing hose, and we've got 100 feet of 3/4 inch water hose. This will allow those tanks to fill up really fast. I've been using this new hose for a while. I've mentioned before, kind of went away from the Flexilla, just too flexible and kinked a lot, and for some reason they just weren't lasting as long. So this is what I've been using for a while and tested it out and loved it. So my tanks fill up a lot faster, a lot more water flow. It is, heavier than the Flexilla, but one thing I like about it is I can pull off just what I need. It's not going to kink. I don't have to pull off the full 100 feet if I don't need it, and I still get full water flow. So that is the two Kings reels and the two hoses. Then we've got the battery box back here, and that's for the pressure washer, and also the Flow Pro is connected to it. And then we have two of the mini 50 gallon tanks. One is for bleach, one is for water. So this makes for a great little system that you can throw in a trailer. We can also make these for a truck skid. What we would do is just reverse, kind of change the setting or placement of the pressure washer so it's going this way, and then tighten in the hose reels a little bit. It's going to be tight in a truck because this is a 48 by 48 skid, but it can work in the back of a truck. But this one was really designed for a trailer unit for a guy that needed one. So that's basically it in a nutshell. Really quick video, just want to kind of show it off to you. Raimondo did a great job building this thing out. We've also done these with 8 gallon per minute machines, and of course everybody knows the King Slinger skid. We sold quite a few of those, all on these little 48 by 48 pallets. And so we can buy these pallets, not very expensive. We actually just charge whatever the pallet cost us. We don't make any money off the pallet since we're not building it or anything, but or at least we're not fabricating it. We're building everything on the pallet for you guys. But yeah, 8 gallon per minute. We make King Slinger systems out of them. 4 gallon per minute machines, softies, whatever you want. If you want something like this, then by all means, just hit us up. You can reach us at info@DougRuckerStore.com, and we can do these or truck skids, enclosed trailers, enclosed vans, open trailers, whatever you want. Just like mine, there's my open trailer over there. So whatever you need, we can do it, and be glad to help you out and be able to get you something within your budget. Not a bunch of fluff and shiny object syndrome stuff that you don't necessarily have to have. Just the good equipment that you can go out and make money. So hope you guys like this. It's a cool little system. And any questions about it, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Or like I said, email at info@DougRuckerStore.com, or call or text 281-612-1223. If you want real pressure washing training, we host schools every month right here in Houston, Texas and Valdosta, Georgia. We've been training contractors for 15 years, covering house washing, roof cleaning, concrete cleaning, and a whole lot more. Get trained the right way from day one. Can't make it to a hands-on class? Our online pressure washing school gives you lifetime access to step-by-step training so you can learn at your own pace and cut your learning curve fast. Perfect for beginners or anyone wanting to sharpen their skills. Well, I hope this has been helpful for y'all. If you have any questions about this pallet skid, just let me know. And if you have any questions on any of our rig builds or any equipment we can build out for you, just email us at info@dougruckerstore.com. Call or text 281-612-1223. Any questions about our training, you can email learn@pressurewashingschool.com or call or text 281-883-3630. Hey, hope everyone, again, has a happy new year. I hope you're off to a great year, and hope y'all have a very, very blessed rest of your day and week.